Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Cooperative Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's address bar. You need to type down the Cooperative Bank and enter it. From the search result, you need to select this top website. So once inside this homepage, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here, you can find there's an icon for contact us here below under the help center. Select that. And from here, you can also scroll a bit down. If you have any issue here, you can find a quick answer. You can simply select the issue if you want to get help with a PIN reminder, cancel a card payment, or if you've been victim of a scam, you can simply select this. So from here, you can simply dial this number here for the current account and saving and for the credit cards here. And lines are open from 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account with card information ready for verification and never share your password, PIN, or security code. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.